بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So there are two guidelines while reading these letters. The first one is to remember the shape of the letter, and the second one is the sound of the letter. For example, this one is alif, like I'll remember its shape and as well as its sound. So the third most important thing to mention here is the practice. If you'll practice well, you will get this lesson and the whole Arabic in a very short time. So let's start this one. The first letter is alif. Alif. You don't have to stretch it, but give a little jerk. Alif. You can practice with me while listening to this lecture, like alif, alif. The next one is ba. Ba. Ba is like a ball, bat, ba sound. Ba, like B. Ba. And what you have to remember, the sound, that is ba. And the other thing is that ba got one dot below its body. The next one, ta. 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 I'll try my best to add the subtitles while editing this video so that you people will get a better idea. And the other thing that I'll try my best to complete this video in a very short time so that I know your valuable time. So we'll move to the next alphabet, that is Sa. Sa. So this is a bit difficult letter, but you will get it inshallah. So how to pronunciate it? It is a sa, S sound, S like small. So how to pronunciate it? You have to join the tip of your tongue and the tip of your corner of your upper teeth. The tip of your tongue and the corner of your upper teeth, like sa, sa, sa. Okay, hopefully you got it. Like the tip of your tongue and the corner of your upper teeth. Sa. Okay, the next one. Jeem. 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 Jeem is like J sound. Okay, the next one. Ha. 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 It is an H sound, like H for hen, but it is something that comes from your throat, the middle part of your throat. When you practice, you will get it. Like ha. Like sometimes you have to clear your throat, like that is the same sound. Ha. Ha. The next one. Ha. Ha. Ha is like a sound of when you sometimes gurgle your with the salty water or something. It is that sound. Practice with me. It's ha, ha, ha. It comes from the upper part of the throat. Ha comes from the middle part of your throat, but ha comes from the part of throat which is at the upper part where your tongue ends. Okay, it's ha. So we learn these three siblings. 1, 2, 3. They have almost same shape like the first one in yellow color is G, which got one dot in its belly. The next one, Ha, in black color, which got no dot but has same shape like Jim. And the third one in green color is Kha, that got the same shape but a dot on its head. Okay, hopefully you will get it. So moving to the next one, this is Dal, Dal, Dal. It's a D sound. Dal. Moving to the next one, that is Zal, Zal. So this is the same as we pronunciate the upper one. I'll mention it in circle. That is this one. Tha. So to pronunciate Tha and Zal, we have to use the same technique. We have to touch the tip of our tongue with the corner of our upper teeth. Okay. So Zal is the sound of Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. But we don't have to make a whistle while reading this. So it is Zal. This one is Ra. Ra. Ra is a sound of R. R for rabbit, but it is a little heavier sound. Ra. Ra. The next one is Za. Za. Za is the sound of zebra. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, but it is a sound in which we have to make a whistle. How to make a whistle? Just to join our front teeth. Z, za, za. Next one. Seen. Same as we make a sound za, we just have to make a whistle. Seen. 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 The next one, sheen, sheen, sheen. Sod. Actually, it is a sound sod, but we have to stretch it like sod. At the end, we have to put a jerk. Sod. At the first, it is a sound of S. Sod. Like S-A-A-D. Sod. So this is our first video lecture in which we learn from here up to here. So if you like our video, comment on this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly click on the bell icon so that you will get the new videos.